Let's talk about a hot topic, flat rate versus hourly. A lot of people ask what are the differences between flat rate and hourly. Flat rate is just that, you get paid per job. A quick example, transmission, the labor rate says the transmission repair takes 10 hours. If you get that transmission repair done in 6 hours, as a flat rate technician, you still get paid 10 hours. Hourly, you're just making your hourly rate. Here's the benefits to flat rate. Flat rate works twofold. It weeds out bad technicians who can't get the job done in a timely manner or have comebacks, and rewards the good technicians who are on top of stuff. They do a good job and they work efficiently. It's great. Hourly it can work in a benefit in a shop that specializes where things take a lot of time, where we do custom work, custom fabrication, custom wiring. You can't really be flat rate. I don't know how long it's gonna take to make a custom engine harness. We have no idea. Let's do a good job and do it hourly. Here's an excellent example as a flat rate technician for myself. Back when I was still flat rate at a dealership, I was working 4 days a week at a dealership, 10, 12-hour days, no big deal. I could at times flag, what we call flag, 20, 25 hours in a day. So if you're making 40 bucks an hour, 45 bucks an hour as a master tech, and you make 20 hours a day, you're killing it. You're making money. You wouldn't be making that money as an hourly tech, but you gotta be on your A game. You can't have mistakes, you can't have comebacks, you gotta diagnose correctly. It's tough. Here's one of the biggest complaints that flat rate technicians have right now. The industry is getting wildly greedy, so we've got high paying jobs called gravy work, brake jobs, clutch jobs, timing belts, wheel bearings, the quick stuff where we're just hanging parts. The problem we're running into now is that the service writer or service manager is cherry picking these high yielding gross profit jobs and giving them to technicians who make a low flat rate pay, basically to pad their profit margins. It's unfair to the guys who've been around 15, 20 years and they're ready to rock and roll, but they keep getting the crap warranty jobs. Warranty work is a totally different nightmare.